Hi, Darryl Rooney, Senior Director of Financial Services, St. Mary's University. We're the second largest university in the province of Nova Scotia. It's a very inviting place to visit, and it's very welcoming and a very home-centered experience, but also a very solid educational opportunity. I'm responsible for all financial reporting and analysis, regulatory reporting for the governments for anything financial in nature, and I oversee also risk management. 1,900 funds across 230 departments, 1,500 accounts, and 1,300 programs. So the amount of potential data point combinations are enormous. I came in the first day and I asked, could I get an income statement for the university, a balance sheet for the university, and I was told it would take 3 days to produce that. We were doing budgeting on an annual basis, not on a monthly basis. We did the best we could with what we had, but there was a huge opportunity to do a better job for our customers. Vena was the one that we fell in love with right away because it was Excel-based, so it was an immediate comfort. We've been able to reduce the time that our executive group has spent reviewing the budget by 70%. 3 weeks to 3 days. We had a process at year-end that took 7 days to produce a list of all of our capital projects and analyze them. We now do that in 2 hours. We have a process that took 3 days every quarter to fund all our capital projects. We built a Vena report. They can do that in an afternoon now. Vena has transformed St. Mary's University in terms of what we have been able to provide to the university community and to our own team, just better information for decision making.